Octoparse, an easy web scraper for anyone.
As we all know, LinkedIn is packed with valuable job market data, which is a goldmine for job seekers. However, the data is only accessible after login, making scraping much more of a hassle. And let's say you want to collect media specialist job listings from LinkedIn, you'd need to work on this page manually, setting filters for location, posting date, and work type one by one before you get to scroll through the listing. While you're doing that, your account is also at risk of being blocked. If you're looking for a more problem-solving way, it's time to let Octoparse template take over. You can manage that easily both by heading over to our official website and trying it out in our desktop application. And be aware, Octoparse is free to download. Here's the detailed steps work in the desktop. Firstly, click template over here. Next, search LinkedIn in the search bar, then you will find our newest LinkedIn template, LinkedIn Job Scraper, no login required. This template is made for anyone who needs LinkedIn data fast, whether you're job searching, freelancing, or doing research. This template runs in cloud mode, meaning you can go do literally anything else, and it'll be finished and ready by the time you return. And notice that this costs you almost nothing, just 30 cents for every 1,000 job listings you collect. Seriously, what's better than paying only 30 cents to unlock thousands of jobs that may pay over $50,000 a month? Let's say we're looking for the kind of job listed on the right. All you need to do is enter those same filters one by one into the fields provided in the template. We've done our best to provide as many filters as we can, so you can dial in your data collection based on your specific needs. When you are ready to move on, click Start to run it in the web browser. As you can see, the cloud is already at work, and hundreds of job listings are lining up, just waiting to be caught by our cloud nodes. Once it's completed, you can export the structured data in different formats, Excel, CSV, or whatever works best for you. And just like that, you've scraped thousands of data points, all in just a few minutes, with almost zero effort. So go try it out. Just name your demand in the template fields and let Octoparse take care of the rest.